What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to get your first Clickbank sale today. So if you want to see exactly step by step the software that I'm using, the product that I'm going to pick out, how I create a simple landing page, how I send emails, and how I find the copy to put into the emails, okay, I'm going to show you that in this video. Also, I'm going to show you some simple tricks that a lot of people don't completely understand, or how all these affiliates are making just a killer amount of money. And I'm also going to show you how you can get free traffic and make that sale today. So if that's what you want to see, let's go. Okay, so what I want to show you how to do is get your first sale on Clickbank tonight. Okay, I want to show you how to do that. Now, I'm going to walk you through the software that I'm going to use, which you can see it right here on my screen. I'm going to be using Builderall to build out pretty much a landing page to kind of funnel people through and then get their email address, and you'll just keep reselling them on the product. Okay, so I'll be showing you the software, which is Builderall. I'll be showing you picking out a product on Clickbank. I'll be showing you why it's so simple, okay, and it's something that a lot of people don't completely understand, okay? And I'm going to show you where you can get products, where you can get free products to give away so you never have to create them, all right? I'm going to show you that as well. And the last thing, I'm going to show you how to get traffic to your landing page so you can actually make some money tonight, okay? So let me show you. So the first thing is I'm going to come here to Builderall, and I'm just going to pick out pretty much a template. So with Builderall, the nice thing is, if you don't have Builderall, you can get a 7-day free trial. I'll put a link to it down in the description box below. You can go check it out. But the nice thing is they have, if you click on Builders and then drag and drop Pixel Perfect, click on New Website, you're going to land on this page. Okay. From here, I clicked on Sales Funnels, and I'm going to land on this page. Now I'm going to scroll down and find a simple funnel where I can collect an email address. So something like one of these, right? So I'm just going to do this one. I'm going to edit this one right here. So that's going to be my page. Okay, and I'm going to come in here and I'm going to edit it and just kind of show you what I'm going to do. But what we want to do is we want to come over here and we want to find a product. Now, I went to self-help and I decided on the marriage niche, saving my marriage, saving my relationship, something like that, okay? So I came down here and I did find one. It's called Mend the Marriage, which is a 75% upfront with multiple recurring upsells, which is key, okay? Because the average sale is $44, okay? And if we get 75% upfront with multiple recurring upsells, that means we're making more money, okay? And here's the other thing. Here's the tip that I want to give you guys. On every single one of these, inside ClickFunnels, they have an affiliate page. The majority of people never click on this, okay? So if we were to open this up, okay, this is what it looks like right here, okay? This is their actual affiliate page. What this means is now we can generate our links. We got gender neutral, male, the men's version link and the women's version link. But, and then you can see over here, product price is $49.95, commission payout 75%, 3 upsells, indefinite recurring, upsell commissions 50%, okay, conversion rate 4.2 male, 3.7 female. Now look at this. This is the key, and this is what most people don't do. Most people never look at the banners. Okay, I'm going to click on the banners. Okay, and look, we got banners here. We can add these to our website. We can add these to our landing page. Okay, also, we have email swipes. This is the key. This right, email swipes. You do not have to write emails anymore. Let's say we want to do email swipe, this one for men, number 1. So we got suggested subject line. Is your wife leaving you? Okay, subject line, first email, and then the body right here. We're going to copy this entire thing right here. We're going to paste it into our email. Okay, well, guess what? Here inside Builderall, they have something called Mailing Boss Autoresponder. So with Builderall, you get to create your landing page. You get a fully self-hosted website. Plus, okay, and again, it's all in one. It's all inclusive. Plus, you get the Mailing Boss Autoresponder, which is key because now you can send people emails right from this software. Okay, so here we go. Now we got the email, which we need. Okay, so now we have our landing page where we're going to build it, and I'm going to show you that in just a second. we have our product, which is what, Mend My Marriage or something like that. Okay, it's this one right here, Mend the Marriage. Okay, that's our product. And then we also have our email swipes. Number 3. Okay, so we're gonna start putting all that stuff together. All right, now, so we already have our website. Here we go. So I'm gonna come up here and I'm just gonna delete that. I'm just gonna make some really quick right here. I'm gonna keep it. Let's see. Do you need to? I'm gonna do it right there. Then I'm gonna write save. You need to save your marriage. Okay. Then right here, I'd write something else, something a little catchy. You need this free marriage. Say you need these free marriage saving tips. Okay, something like that. Then we do something a little different, like, hold on. Let's see, go like this. Don't miss this one time offer. Okay, there we go. Do like that. Come over here, hit enter. There we go. Okay. Do you need to save your marriage? You need these free marriage saving tips. Don't miss this one-time offer. Enter their email address, first name. Get your free stuff today. Okay. And so if we were to preview that, it's going to look something like this right now. Okay. Now I didn't go through it. I'm not going to go through it all the way and make it like perfect, because I'm actually not going to use this. Okay. But I could. Right. So this is pretty much what it would look like, just like that. Okay. Which isn't bad. Now we could also add an image to it, and we can go back, return to edit. We can come and change the background. We can do a lot of stuff to it. Now, I'm not going to go do all that stuff, just because obviously you want to make it unique for yourself, but I could, okay? Now, this is the page. This is where people are going to land on. But the first thing we're going to do is we're going to capture their email address, and then we're going to send them a free guide. Now, we got to know where to get the free guide, right? Well, that's what I want to show you. There is something out there. It's called idplr.com, okay? This is something that I use. I recommended it before. I recommend it quite a bit. But I came to IDPLR and I came over here to ebooks, and I clicked on with giveaway rights, because we want to have the right to give this away. Okay, we're not going to resell it. We're going to just give it away. Now, in order to do this, I typed in marriage and hit search. Came up with 49 results. The problem with that is because I didn't click on advanced search, it didn't search for the ones with giveaway rights. So click on marriage, come down here, download terms, can be given away for free right here. I'd click on that, and then I'd come up here or down here and I'd hit search. Okay, that's what I do. So I did that and it brought me to this page right here. Okay, so it has 3 results. Now I come over here and figure out, okay, would any of these work? This one would, marriage saving tips. So I'd come click on that. It brings me to this page. I can now download it. I can preview it. You have to be logged in, obviously, to preview it, or download it. You can come and if you want to get all the different ebooks that come with this, you can just join IDPLR. You can also get a free membership. That works too. Download 300 products over here. There's a lot of stuff you can do with this website. Okay. Now that is just part of it. Okay. Now we have our product. Now we want to come over here. We want to somewhat integrate it. So I already knew what I found right here. I already knew that. So obviously I put it in. Don't miss this one-time offer. You need these free marriage saving tips. Okay, perfect. Stick it on the website. We're good to go there. The last thing what we would do is here, we'd come down here and we'd right click on our computer and the mouse. We'd right click and we'd click configure. Okay. Oh. Let me save that really quick. I'm just going to save it. Testing something, I don't know. There we go. Save that. Okay. So we save that. Now what I would do is I'd right click here and I'd click on configure. what I do here is I'm going to use Mailing Boss, the autoresponder that comes with Builderall. And again, if you need an autoresponder, you need a landing page builder, you need a website, whatever it is, okay? Come to Builderall because you can get it all in one, right? I click on that, okay? And now I can come and click on any of the lists that I have. Okay, I can scroll down and click on any of the lists I have. Okay, let's say I want this testing list copy number 2. Okay, good. I'm ready to go. And then I'd go over to Builder. I'd go over to the Mailing Boss autoresponder, come over here, click on Mailing Boss, and I'd go in and add all the email swipes, all these, okay? I'd add that into the autoresponder. So the very first email they get is your wife leaving you? Hey there, how's your marriage going? Be honest, how is it actually going? Okay, something like that. Now, once all that stuff's created, once you have your landing page, you have your product picked out, you have your email swipes already inside, they're already published, ready to go. As soon as somebody opts in, they get sent to this page to buy the product. Plus, you're sending them emails, not just the first email, but second email, the third, the fourth, the fifth, to promote this product because it will work, all right? Now, hopefully you've gone through some of these, you've read reviews, read recommendations, and you know this product is good, okay? And one of the ways you can tell, if it has a higher gravity score over here, you know it's a pretty good product. It's selling, okay? People are landing on this page, it's selling, people are buying it, you know, and they're not asking for a bunch of refunds, which is key. Now the last thing, okay, the very last thing, to get your first Clickbank sale, and which again is very simple, go and provide some value, okay? Here's how you do it. Go over to Quora.com, okay? Quora.com is one of my favorite, as of right now, favorite free ways to, and quick ways to get traffic because people are asking questions, you know, almost every minute. So they're asking hundreds or thousands of questions a day, and you can promote different links. Just don't directly link to an affiliate product. Link to a landing page, a sales page, a different website, a video, something like that. Because if you keep linking to a direct affiliate link, what's going to happen is they're going to just ban your account, okay? So let's say I came here and typed in marriage and I click on topic. And if you don't have a Quora.com account, go get one. Okay, they're free. Doesn't cost you any money. So right here, answer, okay? My wife of 9 years has told me that she has been cheating for 7 years. None of the 3 children are mine. How do I handle this? That wouldn't help me sell my or promote my link, so I'm not going to deal with that. And then you got more topics over here as well. Okay, I click on like marriage advice, okay, and then answer. Let's see. I cheated with my best female friend's husband, and she told me that she won't forgive me. My husband wants a divorce after 10 years of marriage because I told him that I cheated on him with his friend while we were dating. What should I do? My husband speaks to his mother a few times a day. I hate it. Am I wrong? Maybe that's one. Maybe that's one I really want to do. Okay. So I come here and I click on answer. Click on answer and I'd write my answer right here. Make sure you give a lot of value first. Teach before you try to sell. Remember, you are an educator first, then a salesman. Okay? So what I mean by this is you want to become an educator. You want to give value. You want to tell people, okay, this is how you do it. These are the steps, 1, 2, 3, you know. And if it helps them, the chances of them actually going and buying the product or clicking on your link and going and putting in their email address and their name and getting the free product that you're recommending, the chances are much higher. Okay, and then you're gonna add your link here. Okay, all you gotta do is let's say I get this free guide on saving your marriage, just like that. Okay, right here, get this free guide on saving your marriage. Come up here. Now obviously that's not the link, but I go ahead and add that. All right, so when they click on this, it's actually going to take them to my free guide. Obviously this one isn't. It's going to take them to Yahoo. Just saw me type it and I hit submit. Okay. Now obviously I'm not going to do that. I didn't put any thought into this, so I'm not going to do it. But that is how you do it. Okay, that's the simple way. That is how you can get a sale right now. You can do this exact same thing over on Facebook when people are asking a question. Hey, how do I save my marriage? My husband isn't talking to me. My wife isn't talking to me. We haven't, kissed in weeks. We sleep in separate beds. What do you guys recommend I do to save my marriage? And that's all it takes. You offer value. Someone asks a question, you answer it. The best of your ability, you answer it. And if they do find value, maybe they will click on that link. Maybe they won't. But you gotta understand, the more answers that you give to the more people, the more likely it is somebody's gonna click on that link and buy the product it is that you're recommending. All right, guys, so let me give you a couple tips. The first tip, when you are using existing copy, so when you're using the email swipes that I just showed you how to get, okay, the first tip I wanna give you is sometimes you need to change the subject. Sometimes it's just not really connecting with your audience. When that's the case, change it up. Make some adjustments. Now, the email swipes, the copy that's in it, it usually does work, but that person may have seen that before. Or it's just not as effective as it could be. Okay, you could change some words, you can make it shorter, you can make it longer, you can add some images, you can add some more links. There's a lot you can do. So make it custom, make it unique for your own audience. Second tip that I have for you guys. Sometimes the first product you pick isn't the best seller. Go and change the product. Sometimes the product you're giving away is not the best because it doesn't really connect with your target audience. For example, the saving my marriage tips. Now, that's great. That might work, but maybe somebody doesn't want tips. Maybe they want actual advice on step-by-step what to do. Well, if you can't find that, you got to create it, okay? So sometimes the free gift that you're giving away isn't enough to get people to give you their name and email address. If that's the case, how are you supposed to sell the product on the back end of your email when nobody's getting it? Because they don't put in their name and email address into the landing page to even put their name in the pile, in the hat, so that you can send them the stuff. Okay, you got to think about this stuff, all right? That's the second tip. Third tip is sometimes you just got to change it all up. Maybe the offer isn't good. Maybe your questions that you're answering over on Quora, you're not answering them with the most value, so people aren't clicking your link. You got to figure out how much traffic is coming from Quora.com or Facebook or Instagram or YouTube or Twitter or wherever you're promoting. How much traffic? Because you want to put the most mail time into the one source that's providing the most traffic to your landing page, to your website, to your offer. Okay? If you don't have traffic coming, you're never going to make any sales. All right? So hopefully this video kind of helped you out. Hopefully, and if I'm saying hopefully, you can get a sale today. Okay? So, and I know you got to do the landing page and go find the offer, and so there's some work that you got to put in, but go put in that work. Let me know, come back, let me know. Did you get a sale, all right? If you did, hit that thumbs up button. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, you learned something from it. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.